forth new ideas, advances, and policies for growth in volatile, complex, uncertain, and ambiguous environment. The conference will be focused on sub-themes such as media, management, technology, and commerce, fintech, and econometrics. To make this conference a blessed one, we invoke Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. I request all dignitaries to be here for the lamp lighting ceremony. Member of Parliament from Garhwal constituency and former Chief Minister, Uttarakhand. I request everyone to welcome our chief guest with a big round of applause.
That within a 20 or within a 1 hour we have to finish. So first of all, it's my privilege on behalf of our Managing Director, IMT Group of Colleges, Dr. Mayank Agarwal ji, I welcome all the dignitaries for this wonderful event for the National Conference. First of all, it's really a matter of pleasure for me that I am welcoming right from our chief guest. So first of all, I welcome the chief guest, Shri Tirath Singh Ji Rawat. Welcome sir to the IMT College of Management. Welcome sir as a guest of honor for today's event. Apart from that, the most energetic person and who always behind us and he always gives us source of motivation, our Honorable Managing Director Mayank Agarwal sir. Respected sir, welcome to the event. Last but not least, my hard-working team, all my deans, all my faculty members, head of the departments, I really welcome all of you. The most important, my students, my loving students, and I have a lot of things to speak, but due to the shortage of the time, I just curtailed down my speech. So the conference, this is the 2 days conference which we are organizing, and as the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, that Atmanirbhar Bharat. So these are the young minds where we have to put, and this is one of the effort. This conference is simply effort that what are the dreams of our Prime Minister. Within these 2 days, we will try to take the journey of that. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your outlook on Atmanirbhar Bharat. To conclude the session today, I would request Dr. Amit Rai to please be here for the deliverance of the vote of thanks.
Thank you very much for giving me this occasion. The word thank you is a very special prayer that cannot be seen, touched, but it can be conveyed from one kind heart to another kind heart. And it must be felt by heart only. So I would like to thank you all the dignitaries, those who have spared their valuable time and graced this occasion. And apart from that, I would also like to thank you all my teammates, those who have worked hard from yesterday morning to till today. Right now, they are standing on one feet to make this event successful. और इसके साथ मैं उन बच्चों का भी शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा जो यहाँ बैठ के उन्होंने पूरे अनुशासन के साथ इस पूरे इवेंट को एक सक्सेसफुल इवेंट बनाया. Thank you all the time and wish you all the best.
सारी फैकल्टी आ जाइए प्लीज. सब आ जाइए प्लीज. और फैकल्टी अच्छा इधर आ जाइए आगे. यहीं पे 2 नंबर
कोई कटे नहीं लेफ्ट साइड में